everybody, happy holidays. I hope everyone's enjoying their holidays with their family and friends. And in this video, I will show you how to bake like a pro. Let's get started. So yeah, I'm spraying Fix Plus on my brush first. And I like to do that just because it helps everything blend much better. So the foundation I'm using is by Maybelline. It's called Fit Me, and it's the matte and poreless one. And my shade is 355. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer, Born This Way, and this color is Deep. So I'm just going to highlight my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, chin, and underneath my cheeks for that cute little sleigh. I don't know why I said cute sleigh, but whatever. So yeah, I'm using the same brush and I'm definitely blending that out so that I can get the highlights effect all over. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm not really big on contouring my nose, and I've been lately trying new things such as that. So lately I've been doing a little bit more with my nose because I don't really have a bridge at all, but I try to kind of create one and contour it a little bit. But let me know what you guys think about contouring your nose. Do you have a bridge? Or are you like me and not have a bridge? I don't know. I feel like I'm the only one. Yay! So step one, press your powder. Yes, so we're gonna take loose powder. I'm using Morphe's banana powder, and I'm pressing that into where I'm going to bake right before I bake. Like the whole flashback you could get when you take pictures and stuff. If you set your face first before you cake, that will decrease that by like 95%. So now I'm baking. So basically I just dipped my kabuki brush in the powder and I'm just wiping it where I want to put it. Step 3, bake for 5 to 10 minutes. So you can do anything you want during this time. If you gotta go, I don't know, heat up some food and come back. I wouldn't really recommend walking around the house because you might scare somebody, but I'm doing my eyeshadow, or a part of it, while I'm waiting for the baking timer to go off. So honestly, I only really bake for like no more than 3 minutes, just because I don't know, I don't feel like I need to leave that on there for like 10-15 minutes. So 3 minutes is good for me, but everybody has their own ways of doing things. So now I'm going in with my NYX Contour Duo in Divine Wine, and I'm using the contour side and just contouring out my face. using the other part of the duo and putting the blush on my cheeks. So for my liner today, I'm using Canvas Girl Kiss Stick in Perfect Storm. I'll also be using that color on my lips, but you'll see that in a few minutes. So for my liner, I'm going to be using MAC Night Moth. I don't know why I forgot the name of this, but it's one of my favorite liners by MAC. And it's called Night Moth, and I use it for like literally almost every look. Seriously. Like this is like my 4th pencil this year. Yeah. So yeah, I'm putting the Perfect Storm right on top of that and making sure that I blend it so that it mixes well and gives me a slate plum grayish kind of color. So yeah, remember when I said I use liner for everything? Yeah, I was not exaggerating. I'm using the lip liner Night Moth as my lower liner today to add some color to my eyes. So I'm taking a flat brush and I'm just kind of smudging that. So I'm taking this purple from my Alice in Wonderland Through the Looking Glass palette and just setting that smudge color I made. So I didn't like the orange, so I'm going in with that same purple from the Through the Looking Glass palette, and I'm putting that in my crease to darken that up a bit. So yeah, I'm taking that brown from the NYX Contour Duo and I'm kind of just carving out a teeny bit of a shape on my nose. And going in with my Estee Edit Glow Kit, I'm applying some highlight, baby. So I'm doing that down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my forehead. Now I'm spraying my face with Fix Plus. I have like a drop left in here, so definitely using that up. Now I'm just putting on my 3D mink lashes. They're called Prima Donna and they're from Lashtastic Dolls. So now I'm just using that same concealer that I used earlier underneath my eyes and everywhere else, and I'm just making sure that my lipstick is on point and nice and sharp near the edges. The same thing you do with like your eyebrows, carving them out and making sure that everything's straight and looks nice and fresh and crispy. You're doing the same thing with your lips. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays.